Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to show weather in your Outlook calendar. So maybe you want to create offline event and you want to show the weather in the location so you can activate this feature in your Outlook email. So it's going to be very easy. You can log into your Outlook account. I'm using a website version here. You can also use your desktop app. After that, you can navigate to the settings in the top right corner here, the gear icon, click on it, and then you can go to calendar. And as you can see, there's weather tab here, click on it. And as you can see, weather in calendar, you can activate it by click this one, and it will show the weather. And then you can choose the temperature, either Fahrenheit or Celsius. I'm going to choose the Celsius. And then you have to add the location. So maybe currently your work in or your team or family is in California, maybe you can just type in like this and you can choose the specific location. I'm gonna choose this one, and click add. You can add up to 5 location if you want, and then you can just click save. It's done. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.